Alright, hey guys, this is Storm Chaser Austin, and the date is May 6th. We are, what time is it? 5:05 here, right? Yeah. Well, 5:05 here, we're in Kentland, Indiana. This storm started to break apart a little bit, and then there was a report of a funnel cloud 5 miles west of us by law enforcement. A lot of lightning, a lot of CG, and it's getting real close, and it's coming fast. Getting dark, a lot of lightning. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but here with fellow Storm Chaser Nick.
Here. We could either go south.
So, hey, keep in mind we can also head east and west. There's a crossroad right there, 4 highway. A lot of CG everywhere.
It's gonna be like non-stop.
Thunder growing. This storm is starting to pick up speed a little bit. Alright, hey guys, we're back here. It's a few minutes later, and there's a wall cloud developing right here. Still lots of thunder, a little bit more of a lighter blue color over here, and it's getting pretty dark. And if you look over here, there's and the storm is moving pretty slow, but it's I'm sure it's intensifying. And right now we are blind because our source of radar has decided to not work. So
We got snack wrap.
yeah.
How's the status?
Oh! Big lightning. Big G.
Step in a rock. I'm clutch.
I have an idiot with me right now.
I look at this thing and nothing tells me tornado.
No, but is this severe?
Oh heck yeah.
And this wall cloud's intensifying. So that's what we got.
Bolton, Otterbein, Milford, Sheldon, Goodland, and Boswell. These storms have exhibited some weak rotation. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms, although one is not immediately likely. If a tornado is spotted, quickly and move to a place of safety inside a certain structure, such as a basement or a small interior room. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Vermilion County and east central Illinois until 5:45 p.m. At 4:59 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour.
Hey dude, this thing's gonna be here in just a minute.
Located 6 miles west
this
of
thing's really
Lincoln,
picking up speed.
or 17 miles east of Paxton, and moving northeast at 15 miles per hour.
Look how fast this thing's getting ready to come.
Rossville and Houston. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
Alright boys.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fort County and east central Illinois, western Iroquois County and east central Illinois.
Let's get in the car, guys. Come on, let's go.
You
sure?
Central
Yes,
Illinois
I'm sure.
until 6 o'clock p.m.
Let's go.
Right now?
Right now.
7 p.m.
It's like playing
The National Weather widespread wind damage across Iroquois County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for northeastern Vermilion County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., trained weather spotters reported a severe thunderstorm producing large destructive hail up to tennis ball size. This storm was located near Houston, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Houston. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
Completely rain wrapped.
Oh no.
We need
A severe thunderstorm warning remains
Where do you want to move?
Central Fort, southeastern Livingston, and western Iroquois counties until 6 o'clock p.m. At 5:11
You got everything, guys?
National Weather Service Dopplar Radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter
I don't know, I think I lost my love for lost miles per hour. Go back so we can get it. Oh, that was bright.
Alright, we're gonna have to start moving east again. Okay. Wow, let's stay. I said light.
But lighting's cool.
Oh man, hey.
What's up, man? What's going on, dude?
It's tight.
You're right up there? Yeah. You sure?
Is that rotating up there? Check that out.
The first aid kit?
No, it's not. Alright. I feel like I'm in the plains.
Ah, that's a good picture. Yeah. Profile picture.
People on the highway are just getting murdered right now.
Good thing those windmills are stopped.
Hey, can you move your hand?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Come on.
Oh, there you go. Thank you. Oh, man, people on the highway are just stopped.
Strong outflow, guys. Strong outflow. Look at that. Shutting those people down.
Try 65.
Oh! Bug on my leg! Bug on my leg!
A lot of people are just stopped.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Wasn't a bug after all.
We needed this rain, that's for sure.
Oh, yeah. Man, that stuff is moving fast.
Something's wrong with your camera. Like, I can't zoom all the way. It's just good.
Why not?
I don't know. Is it something on it? Or is it something?
We gotta go south.
Would you like to switch?
Let's move.
You sure?
Can you roll up your window, Luke, please?
I mean, we could do this the easy way, the hard way.
No, we gotta go that way. There's no other way to go. So that's just gonna go back to where we
Signing
were.
out until further notice!
That's gonna go back the same way we came.
There we go. This weather film's gonna have a little touch of sun.
Man, hey, put the...
Which you need.
Luke, keep shooting this, man. Roll your window down and shoot this.
Right.
Look at that going straight up.
You said roll your window up.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, if your guys' windows are down, we're okay.
Hey, look, it's an outline of a tornado in the dust. No, serious, see that? Oh, it's gone now. I'm getting dust in my eyes, guys. Alright.
Don't cry about it.
Nick, you have a little speck of dust on your camera.
Sorry.
You want to shoot the storm?
Huh?
You want to shoot the storm?
Why not? Sure.
Sorry.
Very good. Wow. Got it?
This looks so cool.
Nick, I don't think the garage has sight.
Really? Alright, we need to go before this rain gets here.
Yeah, we gotta go real fast.
Alright,
Go straight.
Position like with the actual tornado warnings, the circulation.
We're still south of us.
Still south of us?
Yeah.
Is there anything directly to the west of us? I mean, would it be okay if we just stopped?
Let me check. No, it's just rain.
Just rain to the south, or to the, sorry, I'm talking to the west, my bad. Yeah, that's all coming. See, we'd have no break in that rain if we just stopped.
Yeah, no.
What?
Sorry to not talk about weather, but
Oh, that's cool.
if you uploaded to YouTube,
Wouldn't it be low if a cop pulled somebody over in this?
That would just be
Stupid.
He's probably gonna get blown over. None of these windows are moving in this wind. Dumb.
Check this out to the left, boys.
Guess it.
What's that? Is that rotating? Watch that.
I mean, it's not showing any rotation.
No, look it up right here.
Luke, check that out on your left, man.
Oh, I see. I can barely see it.
Oh yeah, see that? Hey, can you give the camera to Luke so we can film that?
Yeah, here. It's all just.
Luke, film this, please.
Oh my God!
Out of our
Please film that, Luke.
Find the humor of this. Look, the dust is so.
lot of it.
Alright, this is a field, and it appears to be raining. And
Dust moving along.
Can you turn the wipers off over?
yeah, along the top of the field.
There we go. A second here.
And
It's not focusing.
this is cool.
It's gonna come across the road though.
Watch for gustnadoes, guys.
Oh, man,
A lot of
that's
dust over here. We're gonna have to punch through all this.
That's right, folks.
We're on the leading edge of the storm
You
now.
heard what I said. Gust nados. That's right.
We're punching the wall.
Gust nados.
Here we go. Brace yourselves, boys. Ah! Heavy inflow.
A lot.
I can't see it really.
I gotta prepare, folks, because oh gosh, this is
Are your
exciting.
brights on?
Huh?
Probably put your brights on just in case.
Oh
you
gosh,
see it.
I reach out and I reel in dust. This is strange.
Wow.
Hey.
Those help.
Ah!
Yeah, they do actually. Turn
Ah!
It seems like they just blind me.
Poor folks.
It's helping.
Their house is getting bombarded by dust.
Dust.
Dust!
Dust.
There you go.
Trying to
Oh,
see.
let's get to the left. Maybe right. Oh, it is to the right in this case. Idiot.
Did you get dust in your eyes, Austin?
Yeah.
Feel like cool outflow?
Ah, rain!
I really want to get ahead of this so we can film all of this happening.
Yeah. We're almost
That
there.
Austin?
There's some warning lights up here.
Ah, gotcha.
Is this somebody else?
She said.
I think so. Oh, it's a combine.
Oh, shoot.
Tractor.
Isn't that a Skywarn spotter?
It's like a tractor. So
Oh,
there's
my
sign.
gosh.
What?
It's a Skywarn
Farmer.
spotter, isn't it?
What is this thing?
Just it's a farmer. Just go around him.
It has to be a Skywarn spotter.
What's this guy doing?
He's the truck for the farmer. Just go around him.
Spotting them storms, eh?
Just go around the truck.
I'm trying, man. I gotta wait till I can see it. Nobody behind us?
No.
What is he doing?
I want to get in front of.
What does he think he's doing?
Apparently he's gonna try and farm it.
Gosh.
Oh man. Don't open the window. Are you serious?
Don't get that stuff in here.
I'm sorry. I thought you wanted me to get footage. Up close and personal stuff.
Well, I do. It's just.
Be very unprofessional.
Unprofessional. You think I'm dilettante? Is that what you think I am?
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright, which way do you guys
Go
want to go now?
go left. Or wait, no, the road curves right. Turn left. Turn left.
Right here?
Yeah, turn left. Because that's just gonna curve south. And we gotta punch it.
That's great thinking.
Dead end. Are you serious?
That's not good.
The road only curves south.
Great. Oh, lightning.
Yeah, that's generally what happens in a storm.
Are you serious, dude?
Since when?
I'm low on gas.
You gotta turn right. Do you have any money?
Yeah, I got plenty of money.
Oh, that's good.
So, This looks like a great place to be.
I like this.
Are we in the eye of the hurricane, guys?
Check that out.
This is the eye of the hurricane, right?
This is the outflow of the storm.
This looks pretty insane.
Radar, please. Radar, radar. Where's my phone?
Where's your phone?
Oh, I have my phone.
You have your phone. Okay. Starting to get a clear view here. Kind of.